Welcome to AppOmni SaaS Security Slice. My name is Arish Mujib and I'm a product designer at AppOmni. Manually triaging SaaS policy violations slows everything down. This walkthrough shows how to automate ticket routing with saved filters and AppOmni's ServiceNow workflows. I'm starting in posture findings under posture management. This view surfaces all misconfigurations detected across your connected SaaS apps. Each row here represents a finding that deviates from policy and could introduce risk. To focus on issues the Salesforce data governance team owns, I'll set the service type filter to Salesforce and risk to critical and high. I'll apply these filters. Now I've isolated what this team owns. Let's save this filter set so I can use it to trigger ticket creation in ServiceNow. From the Saved Filters dropdown, click on Create New. I'll name this filter set Salesforce Criticals and Highs. Now that I've saved my filter set, let's go back to the dropdown and expose the options associated with this filter set. I'll click on Create Workflow using this filter set. I'll use this full screen step-by-step wizard for creating my first ServiceNow workflow. As you can see, the action is already set to create tickets for each finding immediately, which is exactly what I want once this workflow starts running. As for determining which findings need to be targeted for ticket creation, I have my saved filters pre-selected here. Let's proceed to the next step. Now I'll define where the tickets go in ServiceNow and what data they include. For that, I'll create a ticketing template. I'll name it Incidents Template. Next, I'll select a ticketing connection. If it hasn't been added yet, go to Ticketing Connections under Workflows to add one. I want my tickets to be created as incidents in ServiceNow, so I'll set the ticket type to Incidents. Now I'll use the ticket template fields to define what goes into each ticket and who it's assigned to. Since I don't need additional comments, I'll clear this field. Use Assign To for a user or the group field below to route by team. For this workflow, I'll select an assignment group. For description, I'll use Finding Description. I'll set the priority to critical and short description to finding name. Now before I save my workflow, I'll rename it to ServiceNow Incidents Workflow. And click on Create Ticket Template and continue. Let's go ahead and enable this workflow and click on Save Changes. Now matching findings automatically creates ServiceNow tickets, which are assigned to the right team with the right context. Each ticket includes a link back to the original finding in AppOmni, so the assigned team can review and resolve the issue directly. This creates a repeatable path from detection to resolution with no manual routing required. This workflow ensures policy violations are automatically assigned and tracked. There's no manual routing or missed issues. Thanks for watching this episode of AppOmni SaaS Security Slice. For more how-tos, check out the rest of the series.